I did just want to hop on quick and talk a little bit about what we've been doing this summer for learning. So our summers are not really spent doing a whole lot of workbook learning, but we do step away from the books and we do different learning as a family, different activities, different outside things, different physical activities. So today I wanted to just simply show you something that we did with my sister and her kids a few weeks ago. She had sent me an idea on Pinterest about something that she wanted to try, and it looked super fun. And so we decided to get all of the kids together and go to her house. And she and her family live in a house, and they have a bit of land and they have woods, and their driveway is long, so we are able to take walks up and down, and they have some berry bushes. So it was really a fun morning. We took a walk with the kids, we collected nature finds, and then we came back to her house and we sat down with the kids and we did the art project at the table. Just learned a bit about nature and science and working together, and we did arts and crafts at the same time, and even the babies enjoyed it. They were able to create their own little butterflies with stickers and markers, and it was just a really sweet time. So I wanted to just capture those moments in a video and share it with you and just show you how we do bits of learning throughout the summer, just away from workbooks. So we get a little bit of our learning hours in, our learning days in, but it's not strict sit down at the table and learn. It's outside exploring God's beauty and just being together. So I wanted to create this little video as a memory and just to share with you what our learning morning in nature looked like. Thanks for being here. So those were the finished butterflies from our nature walk morning. We had a really beautiful time. It was a sweet time with the kids, and they all created such unique and beautiful butterflies. Thanks for joining today. Come back for some more summer learning videos, and we'll talk soon. I pray you have a blessed day.